Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to make a Discord Modmail bot step by step.
Follow me on Instagram now, so you will get updated info of me.
So first of all, you need to search Discord developer portal and make sure it's the top one. Click to applications and new applications. Like normal, you make bot first here. Name it anything you want. Let's go to bot, add bot, disable public bot and enable those two options. Save changes and go to bot, administrator on, copy the link, paste it there, and just invite the bot to your server first. After you invited, it should be there but offline. So we're gonna go now to Heroku. These two links I'll put in the description. Let's go to the installation guide first. I'll also put the link below so you can read. So in this bot we use MongoDB and Heroku. Now let's get into it. Copy the first link. It's like from Heroku. And the second link. So the first link is the log viewer and the second one is the main Modmail bot one. We need both of them. Let's just recopy the first link here because it's not the correct one. Let's recopy and paste it here. It should have the connection URL like this. Okay, now we name the app. Make sure no caps, so like any name you want here. This is for the log viewer. Okay, now let's fill the Mongo URL here. Let's make it first. Go to MongoDB. Make sure you click the first link just to guarantee you to the safety side. Sign up with Google, and then what you want to do next is name your project here whatever you want. You then want to go to database access here, click it and then add new user and just name whatever you want here. Oops. After you name it, you can auto generate password so it's more secure. Copy that and paste it in the notes here. We need that for later. Add user. Once you've done with this, go to network access, add IP address, just press the allow access from anywhere, enable and done. Go to cluster now, build a cluster here and create a cluster, the one that's free, okay? And then you might want to select your nearest region there. In my case it's Singapore, and rename the cluster here, create cluster. After that, you might want to wait for this to load, so we can click the connect there and get the Mongo URL. So without further ado, we just fill this one first. App name, whatever you want. In my case it's Modmail. So this is the main Modmail, I guess. It's not the log viewer. Just feel like I feel there. So we need the GitHub token. We go to github.com, sign up your account here, and then you might want to go to profile and go to settings, and then go to developer settings. Go back to settings and developer settings and personal access token. Let me quickly do this thing. Okay, in your site it should do generate there, and write it whatever name you want. Click the repo checkmark there and generate token. Now your token is done. Copy this to clipboard and paste it there. GitHub token. This guild ID is your main server, which one you want. In my case it's this server, my one, test server. Copy ID and paste it there. Then you might want to have the log URL later on. Go to Discord and copy our owner ID. In my case it's my own. Just copy there, right click, copy ID and put it there. It's owners there. And then you want to copy the Discord bot token. Go to bot, copy and put it there. Deploy app. Now we've done with that, we might want to wait this to load. We really need this thing. Okay, now it's clickable. You click connect here, connect your applications and copy. Make sure it's version 3.6 or later and not .js. Okay, after you copy, paste it in notebook here, note first, and just erase until mongodb.net and replace the password in there along with the brackets. Make sure there is no space there because it's a problem if you do. Your Modmail bot won't work. Deploy. Okay, now it's deploy. We put it in the first thing here, and then you might want to take the log URL, go back to your log viewer project and wait for this to load. Okay guys, now it's done. You might want to click view, but if you can't click the view thing, you go to manage app and go to open app in the corner there. Okay, once you're done, you just copy this link and go back to the other side and paste it there. Deploy app, as easy as that, and we'll wait again. Okay, now once you've done with it, you just go to manage app and wait for it to load. Go to resources and do this thing, confirm. Now your Discord bot will appear to online soon. Just wait, like soon. Really, there, it's online already, as you can see. Now you can just type like help. Just take the bot and type help. This is the command, the full command. You can set it up and customize as you like. See, I already set up the Modmail, so every time we DM it will go there, the message, and then see, it does here. Okay, we reply hey, and then it will go here. Okay, it works, pretty much works, and this is like 24/7 host, so you don't need to worry. It does work. Okay, close, and this is the bot logs, the message logs. So after we close it, there will be logs and we can open it to Google. Okay, now let's set up the prefix. Maybe, yeah, let's set up the prefix here now. Okay, we can change the activity now. There are 4 types of activity in Discord. There are playing, streaming, watching, and the last one is listening. In my case, I will put it like activity watching Modmails on 1198 guilds. So the activity, it's like the bio here, it will show up there. And let's set up alias so we can do more shorter and quick work with the Modmail here. Alias, we can set up like prefix alias help, and then prefix alias add, the alias and reply. So every time you want to reply, you can just like R for the representative. Okay, there will be part 2 coming up soon for the plugins. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.